widow. Well, the light rain has sort of slowed down traffic, including me. That was fun. Those dancers, wow. They that was a purely a drum group, rhythm drum group with 3 girl dancers. Pretty exotic stuff. Oh, I could use some popcorn. Oh, let's just see what we have here. Actually, I'm in kind of a hurry. I wasn't planning on that last event because I am actually headed way the hell up the street to another venue, and I'm probably gonna miss it. Let's just keep going, we'll see. If not, there are 2 events up there, one after the other, so I'll be okay. Oh boy. Always think about how you're gonna appear on camera if you don't know you're on camera. Oh my god, I see some of the stupidest, well, interesting things sometimes. Such a perfect time of night. It's a wonderful little ice cream place there. There is the entrance to Divino. It's a great, really very nice Italian restaurant. The Fabbrica di Chocolate. All kinds of lovely little diners here, mixed with the colonial period buildings. Ivan's friend, oh god, is it Alex lives there? I can't remember. I mean, no, works there at a government building. Look back down there. Isn't that gorgeous? I live in a really, really beautiful city. But I have to say, Mexico's old colonial cities all are beautiful. I wish I could say this was the most beautiful, but I won't do that. I kind of think so, but I have visited only a few, so I don't have a lot of comparison. Look in there. Gorgeous. And here is the famous Casa de la Corregidora. And now is the offices of the governor, state governor. I'm walking quickly. I'm going to turn this off and continue in a bit. Well, first, just to orient you a little, those of you who have either live here or have followed me long enough will kind of recognize this fountain plaza there with the puppies. Sometimes it's even called the Fountain of the Puppies, for lack of a better word. There you go. We're gonna just turn this off. I need to pay attention to where I'm walking. The sidewalk is gonna get a little narrow from here on. Interesting, but I just have to turn it off.